Troll tutorial. How to find the perfect couch. Step 1. Go to Ikea. Step 2. Go in search for the perfect couch. Step 3. You can't find the couch section.
Where am I? And I already passed from here. Let me find someone so I can ask where can I find the couch section.
Step 4. Try to find an person and ask them where you can find the couch section.
Finally I found someone. Hello man, can I ask you a question? Wait, you are not a normal guy. Fuck, I need to get out of here.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Step 5. Run for your life. Step 6. You are finally safe now. Try to figure out a plan. Step 7. He heard you. Step 8. Kiss me. Step 9. Prepare for your last breath. Step 10.
You can finally relax on the holy couch.